Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you want to go to Instagram. Make sure it's in the latest version. When you're here, tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Then you want to click on the menu icon at the top. Click Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy, you want to go to your Account Center so you can change your password. So tap Account Center. On Account Center, you want to tap Personal Details underneath Account Settings. On Personal Details page, you want to check on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. On this page, there's two options, and you want to pick deactivation or deletion. Right here, you want to select your Instagram account. That brings you to this page where you can deactivate your account or delete your account. If you just want to temporarily delete your account, you can check on the first option. But if you want to delete your account permanently or forever, then check on the second option. Once you're done, you can hit continue. That's it for the video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.